everyone! Today I'm sharing a simple and fun chat between two friends, Rohan and Priya. Let's dive right in. Rohan, hey Priya, how's it going? Priya, hi Rohan. I'm good, thanks. What about you? Rohan, I'm doing well. Did you finish the assignment for Mr. Sharma's class? Priya, oh yes. It took forever, but I finally got it done. Did you? Rohan, not yet. I'm struggling with the last question. It's so tricky, Priya. Which question? Maybe I can help. Rohan, it's the one about the environmental impacts of urbanization. I just can't wrap my head around it. Priya, that one. I focused on how cities can increase pollution because of factories and vehicles. Rohan, oh, that's smart. So you talked about air and water pollution? Priya, exactly. I also mentioned the loss of green spaces and its effect on local wildlife. Rohan, that's really helpful, Priya. Thanks a lot. Priya, anytime, Rohan. By the way, are you coming to the Cultural Fest on Saturday? Rohan, I wouldn't miss it. Are you performing? Priya, yep, I'm in the dance group. We're practicing really hard. Rohan, can't wait to see your performance. I'm sure it'll be amazing. Priya, thanks, Rohan. What about you? Are you participating in any events? Rohan, I'm helping with the decorations. It's gonna look awesome. Priya, that's great. Looking forward to it. Rohan, me too. All right, I better get back to that assignment. Thanks again for the help. Priya, no problem. Good luck. See you later, Rohan. Rohan, see you, Priya. And that's it for today, folks. A simple, friendly chat to help you improve your English. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.